Alright, you guys, so I got the whole thing sheathed yesterday, and I put up my baffle right there. There's 2 holes in it to fit 2 box fans right up there. What that's basically going to do is it's going to take the 2 holes that are up above, it's going to pull the air in, and it's going to take the hot air off of the surface of the plastic, and it's going to cycle it through and out those 2 holes down there, so all the moisture will go out. And then I also got the primer on it. I'll let that dry, and then I'll put the black on it later on today. Just used 1/4" OSB. It's just cheap and makes it lighter too. That's a good view of it. Alright, we'll see you guys.